Affordable electric car charger installation, Ardmore, Pennsylvania, 888-901-4131. Many thanks for clicking on this video about affordable electric car charger installation, Ardmore, Pennsylvania and Ardmore, Pennsylvania. Call our team today if you need electric car charger installation for your house or company. Our phone number is 888-901-4131. We are on call to help you with installations and repair work of electric car chargers. Additionally, today we are going to find out about tax credits for electric car charger installation. Depending upon where you reside, you may be eligible to get tax credits for installing an electric car charger. There are two varieties of fast charging stations, level 2 and DC. Both of them may be installed in the house, however it is necessary to know which one is right for you. You also need to consider the cost, which can fluctuate from one service provider to another. Level 2 versus DC fast charging stations. Picking a charging station is a crucial decision for electric car owners. There are two primary options, level 2 and DC fast charging stations. Having said that, the decision is dependent on the kind of automobile. Level 2 chargers are among the most common. They charge your EV at rates of about 25 miles per hour. These are typically cheaper to buy and install. They feature a Sage A1772 EV plug that is compatible with most automobiles. They are available for sale online or in the United States. Level 3 chargers, alternatively, are quicker and more expensive. They can recharge your EV in 20 to 30 minutes. They are best for roadside stops or retail locations. They need 400 to 900 volt direct current infrastructure. Unlike level 2 chargers, they are a little more complex to install. Level 1 versus level 2 electric car chargers. Picking out the right electric car charger isn't often straightforward. There are several choices available, and each has its benefits and drawbacks. A wise decision is dependent on the amount of money you are willing to invest, the convenience you are looking for, and the overall flexibility you have. There are two primary kinds of chargers available, and each has its own benefits and drawbacks. The first is a basic home outlet that uses a charge time of 12 to 30 miles per hour. The second is a level 2 charger, which deals with 240 volts. This kind of charging is faster, and supplies more range than the level 1 charger. Using the right source of power can boost the battery's capability by 8 times. The smaller level 1 charger is typically provided with new electric cars. It is a little box that looks similar to a regular household outlet, however with a longer cable and grounded plug. Electric car charger expense. Whether you own an electric car or are planning to buy one, installing an EV charging station can set you back up to $1,000. The installation cost will depend on where you live, the type of charger you want, and how far the charger is from your home. In most cases, the cost for an EV charging station will range from $1,200 to $2,500. The cost will be affected by the distance from the electrical panel to the charging port, and the electrical panel's capacity. An EV charging station ought to be installed by a licensed electrician. An electrician will be able to provide you a more precise estimate. A specialist can likewise serve to help you pick the most efficient location for the charger. If you may need to get a brand new breaker box, this will likewise add to the installation cost. A brand new breaker box costs $500 $1,000. It might be worth the expense for people who use their garage for more than one vehicle. Electric car charger tax credits. Regardless if you are a homeowner or a company, there are lots of tax credits that could be applied to the expenditure of installing an electric car charger. These can be a substantial help. A number of these are federal and others are state-sponsored. You will need to fill out an Internal Revenue Service Form 8911 when you submit your company taxes, and this will help you to figure out the credit you will obtain. Apart from the federal tax credit, you might additionally be qualified to apply for local and state incentives. The National Conference of State Legislatures has an extensive list of programs in each region. You can find information about these programs by browsing on your state's site. To get economical electric car charger installation rates, and uncover how you might be able to get your new electric car charger installed for practically pretty much nothing, using tax credits, call us today at 888-901-4131. Affordable electric car charger installation, Ardmore, Pennsylvania, 888-901-4131.